Well, new research from the University of North Texas Health Science Center shows the difference masks can make. In 34 states that were not ordering masks at the end of May, COVID cases rose through June and early July, often sharply. At that time, Alabama did not have the mask mandate, but in nearly every state with a mask order, COVID cases dropped. U.S. Surgeon General Jerome Adams is begging folks to cover up when you go out.
I'm pleading with your viewers. I'm begging you, please understand that we are not trying to take away your freedoms when we say wear a face covering.
That plea is echoed by a former Surgeon General from right here in Bayou La Batre. Today, NBC 15's Darwin Singleton asked Dr. Regina Benjamin about masks, sending kids back to class, and where the crisis currently stands.
Dr. Regina Benjamin may no longer be the U.S. Surgeon General, but as a director of a rural health care clinic in Bayou La Batre, she's still face-to-face with about any health care crisis that filters through America. COVID-19 is her latest and perhaps most challenging foe.
I have patients and people, friends calling me daily saying, what do I do? I was around, I may have been exposed.
But her eye is never far from the national conversation about health care. And as we talk about sending our children back to the classroom this fall, America's former top doc says she understands the urgency but has serious reservations.
You know, I'm not trying to be an alarmist, just to be realistic that while we'd love to have our children go back to school, we need to make sure they're safe and they're going back in a safe and as safe an environment as we can make it.
Dr. Benjamin bases her opinion in the fact that local positive test rates have doubled since the summer holidays, when many locals chose not to wear masks and have not yet been ordered to do so. She tells me she's glad to see the president is now referring to wearing masks as patriotic.
I'm very pleased that he has said that. I hope he will stick to it because he has a strong following, and his following will take his lead.
I asked Benjamin that inevitable question. What would she do as Surgeon General during this pandemic?
On a national level, strengthen the CDC, because the CDC is one of the most respected, it is the most respected public health and prevention organization in the world. So I would basically put resources in the CDC and then also the World Health Organization.
For now, Dr. Benjamin is focusing on the Bayou, where she says COVID-19 is starting to get personal, touching families here. But if her nation called upon her again in the midst of this crisis, would she answer?
I'm a patriot. I do what I can to help our country, our world, and so I would do whatever I needed to do.
In Mobile, Darwin Singleton, NBC 15 News.